Okay, so now we will learn some words related to going exploring. So there's a lot of vocabulary in this one. So the first word we have is explorar, which means to explore. Explorar, to explore. Explorar. So it sounds similar to English. Then we have acampar, which means to go camping. So you can see campar, camping. Acampar, to go camping. Acampar, acampar. This one also sounds similar. And the next one is excursión, which means to go on an excursion, in an excursion, or to go hiking. Excursión, to go on an excursion or hiking. Excursión. So yeah, one more time. Explorar, to explore. Acampar, to go camping. Excursión, to go on an excursion or to go hiking. And then we have El Cañón, which is the canyon. El Cañón. So these are some places where you can go. El Cañón, the canyon. There's also El Arrecife de Coral, the coral reef. El Arrecife de Coral, the coral reef. And we also have La Cascada, the waterfall. So cascada, waterfall. It's not similar to English. La Cascada. El Arrecife de Coral. So I think the only word here is arrecife, which means reef. Coral means coral, the coral reef. And the last one, the other one, El Cañón, means the canyon. El Cañón can also mean like the canyon. For example, like those big old canyon where they throw canyon balls. We also call them cañón, like the ones they use for wars. So you blow the canyon, you put the fire, and the canyon ball goes. El Cañón. That one also refers to the canyon. El Cañón. We call it El Cañón. So yeah, El Cañón, the canyon, the machine. El Arrecife de Coral, La Cascada, the canyon machine. Remember that one. Okay. And the next one. El Río, which means the river. El Río. Yeah, the river. I think you know this one already. Then we have La Cueva, which means the cave. La Cueva, the cave. La Cueva. And the last one, El Volcán, the volcano. El Volcán, the volcano. So one more time, El Río, the river. La Cueva, the cave. El Volcán, the volcano. El Volcán. So these ones are simple. Okay, and there's also a few other words. For example, El Científico, which means the scientist. El Científico, the scientist. And El Fotógrafo, the photographer. El Fotógrafo, the photographer. Okay, and a few more. La Cámara, which means the camera. Simple. La Cámara. La Linterna. This one means the flashlight. La Linterna, the flashlight. Linterna. And El Termómetro, the thermometer. El termómetro. So one more time. La cámara, the camera. La linterna, the flashlight. El termómetro, the thermometer. El termómetro. Okay, a few more words. La pila or la batería. So this one means the battery. So some people call it la batería, others say la pila. For example, it's like the pile, la pila, the pile, la pila. So yes, we either say la pila or la batería, but both of them mean the battery. La pila, la batería. And the next one, el cargador, the charger. El cargador, the charger. And la cuerda, the rope. La cuerda, the rope. La cuerda. So one more time, oops. La pila or la batería. El cargador, the charger. La cuerda, the rope. And let's go for the examples. The first example is: vamos a explorar una cueva. ¿Tienes una linterna? We are going to let's explore the cave. Vamos a explorar la cueva. Let's explore the cave. ¿Tienes una linterna? Do you have a flashlight? ¿Tienes una linterna? Okay, this one is simple. And the next example. Sí, tengo una linterna, pero no tiene pila. Yes, I have a flashlight, but it doesn't have battery. Sí, yes. Tengo una linterna. I have a flashlight, pero no tiene pila. But it doesn't have battery. Okay. And the next example. ¿Será una mala idea acampar cerca del volcán? Would it be a bad idea to go camping near the volcano? ¿Será una mala idea? Would it be a bad idea? Acampar cerca del volcán? To go camping near the volcano? Okay, so I think you understand this one. And the next phrase. Sí, creo que es una mala idea. Mejor vamos de excursión al cañón. So yeah, sí, creo que es una mala idea. Yes, I think it's a bad idea. Mejor vamos, let's better go, de excursión al cañón. Or to the canyon, hiking to the canyon. Let's go hiking to the canyon instead. So yeah, I think you probably understand these ones by now. And the next example. Los científicos están estudiando el arrecife de coral. The scientists are studying the coral reef. Los científicos están estudiando el arrecife de coral. The scientists are studying the coral reef. Another example. El fotógrafo le toma foto a la cascada con su cámara. The photographer takes a picture of the waterfall with his camera. El fotógrafo le toma foto a la cascada con su cámara. So yeah, the photographer takes a picture of the waterfall with his camera. Another example. No me siento bien. ¿Puedes darme el termómetro? I do not feel well. Can you give me the thermometer? No me siento bien. I do not feel well. ¿Puedes darme el termómetro? Okay. And another one. Mi teléfono ya no tiene batería. ¿Dónde está el cargador? My phone is out of battery. Where is the charger? Mi teléfono ya no tiene batería. My phone no longer has battery. ¿Dónde está el cargador? Where is the charger? And a few more examples. Ayuda, help, ayuda. Me caí al río. Lánzame una cuerda. Help, I fell into the river. Throw me a rope. Throw me a rope. So here we have lanzar. You can see the conjugation on the right side, which means to throw or to launch. So he says, lánzame una cuerda. Throw me a rope. Lanza. Lánzame una cuerda. Throw me a rope. Lánzame una cuerda. And the next one. Me gustaría ir a explorar lugares nuevos en México. I would like to go explore new places in Mexico. Me gustaría ir a explorar lugares nuevos en México. I would like to go explore new places in Mexico. So that's it for this one. And as always, thanks for watching. Make sure you go watch some movies in Spanish. Just have fun a little bit. So as always, thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.